So today I'm going to show you exactly how to get your lender's mortgage insurance waived, step by step. So keep watching.
That's right, Nathan. Using this new promotion, you'll pay $1 for lender's mortgage insurance with as little as 15% deposit.
And the best part?
You don't need to be a citizen, you don't need to be buying in a certain area, you don't have to be eligible for a government scheme, and you're not going to pay higher interest rates. We're not talking about the first home loan deposit scheme in this video, it's something entirely new that will have your lender's mortgage insurance discounted to $1.
My name's Nathan Vecchio, this here is Jayden.vecchio, we're from Hunter Galloway, and today we're going to take you through how you can get your mortgage insurance waived to $1.
Let's dive right in.
So Jayden, walk me through what this offer is.
Nathan, it's a pretty amazing offer. It's called the First Home Buyers LMI offer. It's available only from St. George Bank. Surprisingly, not even Westpac, the owners of St. George, offering it. And it's only available from today for a limited time.
So Jayden, that sounds amazing. Now, who's eligible and what do you actually need to do to qualify for this?
Yeah, Nate, so it's available for first home buyers who are looking to buy their first home. There's a pretty interesting part there. If you're buying as a couple, if one of the people is a first home buyer and the other one's not, you're still gonna be eligible for this promotion. It's available if you have a 15% deposit. So the bank will lend up to 85% and reduce your mortgage insurance cost to $1. Now we're gonna take you through what exactly and how much it's gonna save you later in the video, but let me tell you, it could save you up to $8,000 in lender's mortgage insurance. It's outrageous.
Interestingly on this offering is that you don't need to actually buy a brand new property. As long as you're a first homeowner or one of you are first homeowners, you get your mortgage insurance reduced to $1. Now your interest rates aren't going to be charged any higher, which is good news as well. And also there's no genuine savings requirement. So if you're gifted the funds by mum or dad, or you're using government schemes to help towards your deposit, there's no savings history required.
Yeah, so the awesome thing on this too is you don't need to have qualified for the first homeowners grant in your state or any other government schemes. It's completely independent. It's a promotion that St. George Bank are doing to help first home buyers onto the property ladder. So effectively, if you've got a 15% deposit, if you're buying your first home, and you're looking at getting a loan, this is something that could save you thousands of dollars on your lender's mortgage insurance costs.
So the only thing you need to be aware of here, guys, is that it is limited to a maximum loan amount of $850,000. So that means is anything under $850,000 loan amount, no mortgage insurance at 85%.
Yeah, so pretty much that's a purchase up to $1 million for your first home, which is pretty amazing.
So Jayden, walk me through who's going to be ineligible for this promotion.
Yeah, so it's going to be obviously subject to St. George's standard credit criteria. They need to have minimum employment lengths, different things like that you need to meet. Also, it's only available for first home buyers. So if you're looking at buying an investment property, if you're upgrading your home, you're not going to qualify. The main thing also is that loan amounts are up to $850,000 loan amount, and it's not available on construction loans. So if you're looking at taking advantage of the home builder grant or some of the other grants, you're not going to be able to get your lender's mortgage insurance waived on this. The last thing that it is ineligible for is for guarantor home loans. So you couldn't buy a place and put 85% against that and then use the rest for a guarantor loan. You'd have to do that normally. This is really for just a standalone, you're buying your first home as a single person or as a couple, you've got 15% deposit, and you can get your lender's mortgage insurance waived.
And to clarify around that construction point, that means if you buy land and build and you have the 5 stages to the build, the bank won't do that. But if you found something completed off the plan or a brand new townhouse or a unit or even a completed house, fully completed, where you're picking up the keys, that's still okay. You will be eligible for this scheme. So Jayden, with this St. George promotion, what does it actually mean? 85%, no mortgage insurance, what does it mean from a dollar value perspective?
So like I said before, this promotion from St. George Bank can literally save you thousands of dollars. So like you can see on the screen now, based on these figures, on a $500,000 purchase in Sydney, for example, with your 15% deposit and some other costs, you'd need about $76,000 in deposit and your other costs. This would save you $4,122 in lender's mortgage insurance. Now all the way up to $1 million, which is the maximum cap. It's going to be an $850,000 loan amount. With your 15% deposit, you're going to need about $192,000, and it would save you $10,540 in lender's mortgage insurance. It's pretty outrageous. It's a massive saving. So Nathan, obviously this promotion is just available through St. George Bank. So we've done a review on St. George Bank before. You can check it out. But what are some quick side notes as to know, well, is St. George actually a good bank or not?
So with St. George, they're actually owned by Westpac, Australia's second largest lender. So they're backed by one of the big boys, They're very competitive from a rate perspective at the moment, with both their variable and fixed rates being right within market and what you'd expect to get. In terms of St. George overall, we think they're a good bank. We've had plenty of good experiences with our customers that use them and have given great feedback.
So a bit of a wrap up, St. George Bank are launching a promotion today to basically reduce your lender's mortgage insurance bill from up to $10,000 to $1 if you've got a 15% deposit. It's obviously going to be subject to their credit criteria and all that stuff. So if you do need help, Nathan, what can you do?
So hit us up at Hunter Galloway. We're mortgage brokers. We're based in Brisbane. We deal with people Australia-wide. So if you need help and you're wanting some assistance, hit us up at huntergalloway.com.au.